Maintenance, storage, and operational support under one roof. Just the pure logistics of that all being in one self-serve spot just makes everybody's life easier, especially the owner and his pilots. They don't have to go anywhere else, just come here, get their stuff, get their plane, and go.
RAI Jets has many aircraft maintenance technicians, and on average, probably around 20 years experience. They range from different levels of technicians, from A&Ps to IAs.
Professionalism and a company that cares. We're not here to just play, we're here to do it for real. On target, on time, all the time.
RAI Jets maintenance program is different than other people's, is that we are the perfect size. We have experienced people that you can depend on. We have had so much experience over the years that a company our size generally can't do all the things that we can do. So we give everybody the options that a big shop does, but at a much smaller niche size company.
There's day-to-day maintenance on aircraft and also inspections that need to be done. Each aircraft has its own maintenance manual, and our maintenance technicians are well-versed on aircraft that we maintain, and they plan ahead and schedule out months in advance as best possible to have these maintenance events on their schedule so the owners know when maintenance is coming up and it's not a surprise to them. If a client has an aircraft that is based at a different location other than Kalamazoo or Fort Myers, that's okay too. Our RAI Jets can handle managing an aircraft at a different airport without any problems.
We work hard. We were here late last night, just like we usually are, and we got a lot of good people.
We love helping people in their aviation endeavors. So whether it's scheduling their trip or maintaining their aircraft, this is our career. It's what we do, and we love to do it, and it shows with our clients.